The Gaming Stuff Gamer Gifts 3D Nightlight by Colortown is a unique decorative lamp designed specifically for gaming enthusiasts. This product combines a visually striking 3D illusion effect with practical lighting features, making it an appealing addition to any game room or bedroom. The lamp features an optical acrylic flatboard with laser engraving that creates a vivid 3D image when illuminated by the LED light base. This effect is not only captivating, but adds a modern, artistic touch to the room's ambience. The lamp offers 7 different colors that can be changed manually or set to cycle through 4 different modes of color flashing, including flash, strobe, fade, and smooth transitions. This versatility allows users to customize the lighting to their mood or the room's decor. Powering the lamp is flexible with 2 options available: 3 AAA batteries or a USB connection, with USB being the recommended method. This dual power option enhances convenience, allowing cordless use or continuous power via USB. The LED light source is designed to be soft and uniform, avoiding harsh glare or flickering, which makes it safe and comfortable for children's eyes. The lamp is also dimmable and includes a timer feature, adding to its usability as a nightlight or ambient light source. The physical design of the lamp is compact and lightweight, measuring 6 inches in diameter, 1.5 inches wide, and 8 inches tall, and weighing just under 15 ounces. The base is made from durable acrylonitrile butadiene styrene (ABS) plastic, providing a sturdy platform for the acrylic panels. The lamp's style is described as Art Deco, with a polished finish that complements its modern aesthetic. It is designed primarily for indoor use, suitable for living rooms, bedrooms, or dedicated gaming spaces. One of the standout features is the inclusion of 4 interchangeable acrylic panels featuring different gaming-themed designs. These can be easily swapped out, allowing users to change the lamp's appearance to suit their preferences or to highlight different favorite characters or motifs. This feature is particularly popular among younger users and gamers who enjoy personalizing their space. The panels are laser engraved and feel durable, not flimsy, which adds to the product's perceived quality. User feedback gathered from various reviews highlights several positive aspects of the lamp. Many users appreciate the bright and vibrant lighting options, noting that the lamp is easy to assemble and operate. The remote control and smart touch features allow for simple adjustment of colors and brightness, which enhances the user experience. The lamp's size is considered ideal for placing on desks, bedside tables, or shelves without taking up too much space. The lightweight nature of the lamp also makes it easy to move around. The lamp is frequently praised as a perfect gift for gamers of all ages. It has been well received by children, teenagers, and adults who enjoy gaming culture. Many reviewers mention gifting it to family members who are fans of popular games or gaming characters, and it has been described as a hit gift for birthdays, Christmas, and other special occasions. The lamp's ability to serve as both a decorative piece and a functional nightlight adds to its appeal. Some users have noted minor drawbacks, such as the fact that only 1 acrylic panel can be used at a time due to the single docking station. This means users cannot display multiple characters simultaneously without purchasing additional bases. However, the ease of swapping panels daily is seen as a manageable compromise. Another small downside is that the lamp does not come with batteries included, which some users found inconvenient, but is common in many battery-powered devices. Overall, the Gaming Stuff Gamer Gifts 3D Nightlight offers excellent value for money. It combines eye-catching design with practical features and solid build quality. The lamp is sturdy, yet lightweight, making it easy to handle and durable enough for everyday use. The LED lighting is energy efficient and safe for children, and the variety of color and lighting modes provides a customizable experience. The product also comes with a 12-month assistance program, ensuring customer satisfaction and hassle-free returns if needed. In conclusion, this 3D nightlight is a well-crafted, visually appealing gadget that enhances any gamer's room decor while providing functional lighting. It is particularly suited for those who appreciate gaming culture and want to add a personalized touch to their space. The combination of remote and touch controls, interchangeable designs, and multiple lighting effects makes it versatile and enjoyable. If you are looking for a unique gift for a gamer or a stylish nightlight with a gaming theme, this product is a solid choice. For those interested, the product link is provided in the description to support the channel. If you own this lamp, please consider leaving a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision.